So as some of you know, I couldn't go to hike since like few weeks, and I was really missing it. So this Friday evening I got some time, a few hours, pick a station, take the train, go somewhere and hike a bit. So now I'm just outside Höör, and I went there one time, it was pretty nice, but now it's raining, so hello. Okay. It's raining, so it's gonna be fun. I got some whatever I need anyway in my bag, but right now I enjoy it because it's quite warm here, it's summer. So took my shower. Now it's like raining like good. I don't know if you can see me, but anyway, so I'm gonna make a break right now, dry in my clothes, and I think I'm gonna put my emergency rain gear. So it's fun. Okay, we're almost there. Almost there. Look at that, look at that. Train station is just over there. Just over the train station. I'm not wet. I look very stupid, but I'm not wet. So